Beagle.
Yeah.
Worked.
Cute.
There we go.
There he's gone.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Look at this bloke.
What?
Straight through a red light.
Right.
That looks like they've got all the police training going on again. He's gone off and left that in the road.
Do you realise?
Get out and tell him. Get out and tell him.
You've left your trolley. Your blue trolley in the road.
Okay, sorry.
Red.
Yeah, I know. But you're just like that lot, like blinkers. God's sake, mate. Fucking hell.
Force your
I
way
know.
out.
Yeah, and he's pulled out in front of the bloke who's in the right hand lane.
Yeah. Save it then.
Okay, Garmin. Yep, that's clever, mate. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Is this for your collection?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't.
I don't know. Hey, mate. Oh, fucking ticket. Hey.
At the roundabout, take the second exit towards lane.
He's going, look, 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 look. There's nothing behind me.
Yeah, no.
There's nothing behind me.
Yeah,
What was the point of that?
yeah,
Someone weren't thinking today.
no.
That's alright.
Jump,
You
yeah.
just pull straight out in front of people. Who cares? That's two.